Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going again to garage as usual. Saturday working on my own cars and bikes. So we're going to pick up the sidecar for the Dnepr Lulka, and we try to fit it today, hopefully without scratches and any damages. Biker season is getting open, and everyone start enjoying the nice days. Oh, there we go, that's Lithuanians. So, we are in the garage, we got the Lulka inside the car, and the usual process. So we're gonna get started Volga and move it out for the fresh air. Start, but just start. Okay. So basically we're gonna paint this underneath in Amerite. That's what I like it. It's a very good paint, and the same color will be inside the floor as well. So my daughter now carry on the job, finishing off, and then we're gonna put it around, turn around. So we're gonna try to join the sidecar with the bike now. I never done this before. This is my first time will be. So yeah, here we go. Let's have some fun. Something like that. Sidecar. I didn't level it. I'm not sure how to do this properly. I'm gonna need to ask some advice regards that. I put it my old exhaust system because I can't get it new ones. The new ones, they horrible, and the sounds is different. So for the moment, the old one's gonna be okay. So next job, what I'm gonna do the side wing, and then the body, lulka. So what we're gonna do next, basically I'm gonna do the side wing, only 4 bolts. I'm gonna use it brand new, so they're not gonna get rusty. So this is the side wing. That's what we're gonna take a place the next, and it's nice and shiny. I think it could be easier to do before when the wheel take the place, but now that's what we're gonna do. It's not easy to do when the wheel is in the place. Ta-da! Bolt it in, tied it up, that's it, done. So yeah, today's day is over, and results is being done what we came here today for. So we fit the sidecar, everything has been done, and now a few more bits to do left, like a loom, lights and stuff like that. So still there is no clutch. We need to sort it out, this problem. And then yeah, so hopefully in a couple of weeks time, maybe a month time, I'm gonna try to ride it on the road with this bike. So what I done, I fit the old exhaust system because the new one I can't get it shapes like that, or they are super expensive. So for temporary this is gonna be okay, and we want to start it just to hear the voice of the engine.